Hey guys, Matt here for Brickle Men's Products. Today we're going to talk about something that every guy should understand how to do. How to build a skincare routine that is not only effective, but convenient. One that requires only a few minutes every day. There are at least 3 major reasons you want a skincare routine. 1, you're going to look a little better right away. Your significant other, your coworkers, family, friends, they're going to notice this difference right away. It's the most common customer comment that we get. 2, you're going to look much better over the long term. Like so many things in life, you can choose to ignore your skin until it becomes a problem, or you could start a skincare routine today that helps keep your skin in top shape. This means that in a few years, you will look significantly younger than the guys you graduated with. Subtler wrinkles, less noticeable lines, fewer age spots. Who doesn't want that? 3, you're going to be more confident every single day. Every time your significant other notices how great you look, and every time you notice how much older the other guys at work are looking, that's your investment in skincare paying off. Whether it's in your personal life, your professional life, any aspect of your life, you'll see benefits from the confidence a skincare routine brings. So, the benefits are clear and awesome. To help you enjoy those benefits, I'm going to show you a simple 5-step routine that anyone can do regardless of age, ethnicity, or skin type. Also remember, you don't need to do all of these steps for best results. You absolutely should, but don't worry if some aren't for you. For optimal results, we really recommend that you do this routine in the morning and when you go to bed at night. If you're limited on time though, just do it once, morning or evening. Also note, some of these steps you only need to do a few times a week and not every day. We'll mention these as we go through them. Let's get started. Step 1, wash. Simple enough, use a face wash to get rid of all of the dirt, bacteria, and excess oil that's collected on your face. First, run some warm, not hot, water over your face before using the face wash. You want your face warm and damp. Then, put a small amount of face wash on your hands and work it into the skin gently for about 5 seconds. Rinse your face, then pat your face dry with a clean towel. This is the basic first step to any good skincare routine. You don't want to apply any other products on top of dirty, oily skin. That would defeat the purpose of the routine. One thing to note, you should try to find a face wash that is tailored to your skin type. Most face washes are. We offer several face washes for every skin type. If you don't know your skin type, check the video description for a link on how to determine it. Step 2, scrub. You got rid of surface layer grime with your face wash, but 2 to 3 times a week you need to get down a little deeper and reveal your best looking skin. That's because dead skin cells accumulate on your face and dull your appearance, but scrubbing, aka exfoliating, will fix that. A face scrub mimics a body's cycle of shedding and replacing skin cells, just faster. It also digs the gunk out of your pores. One note here, if you have dry or sensitive skin, exfoliating less often will prevent irritation. Take it down to about once or twice a week. To get the best results, apply a nickel-sized amount of scrub all over your face. Focus on your forehead, down to your nose, your T-zone. Do not go under the sensitive skin right under the eyes. And there's no need to get aggressive here. Do not rub and scrub and dig and scrape at your face. Just chill out, apply the scrub gently, and let the exfoliating ingredients do their work. Then, rinse with warm water and pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Pro tip, try using a face scrub before you shave on your shave area, as it will soften the whiskers, making it easier for your razor blade to pass over your hair follicles. This means less tugging and post-shaving irritation. Step 3, tone. This next step is critical for guys with oily skin. It's pretty much a secret weapon. Unfortunately, it's also one that many guys don't know about or properly understand. Skin toner is astringent. It reduces oil and shine. It also reduces the appearance of pores, so this is a must if you get that oily shine, especially during the hot and sweaty summertime. Toner also sets your skin up to better absorb and benefit from steps 4 through 5 of your routine. You can either spray it directly onto your face or dab it on with a cotton ball. In either case, you want to keep it light and easy. Spritz your face, don't drown it in toner. Let the toner dry into your skin before moving on to the next step. Okay, so far we've 1 washed, 2 scrubbed, 3 toned, and that sets your skin up perfectly for step 4, hydration. For the sake of brevity, we're calling step 4 hydration. But really, the goal here is to lock in the clean, bright, healthy skin you got after following steps 1 through 3 of your routine. Depending upon your day's activities, you're going to want to use one of 3 types of products. If you're going to be inside mostly or just going to the office, you want to use a light face moisturizer for all-purpose hydration. If you're going to be exposed to the sun, you'll want a moisturizer with SPF 15 or above. Make sure your moisturizer not only protects your skin, but keeps it hydrated throughout the day. And if you have sensitive skin or about to go to bed, use an anti-aging face cream. A cream is capable of holding more nutrients and active ingredients in it, so it'll provide the longest lasting effects. Apply a quarter size amount of cream or moisturizer to your entire face, apply it gently in small circular motions, and let it dry completely. Step 5, restore. We've made it to the final step, step 5, and this step is all about the eyes. That's because the skin under and around your eyes is thin and sensitive. It's prone to inflammation and poor circulation. That's why you get dark circles, droopiness, poofiness, and fine lines. Unfortunately, this means that the skin under your eyes is also most likely to give away your age. But don't worry, you can smooth, brighten, and hydrate the skin using an eye cream. All you need is a pea-sized dab under and around each eye to restore hydration, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation. Do not put any eye cream anywhere on the eye or eyelid. That's it. 5 easy steps, 1 simple routine. The entire routine shouldn't take you longer than 5 minutes. Stick to it and your skin is going to be looking better than ever. We'll be coming out with more videos for different types of daily skincare and grooming routines soon. If you're interested in an anti-aging routine, check out the video that explains how to do one. Also, if you found this video helpful, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to submit any comments you have below. If you've never used any of our products, try them all for free with our starter sample kit. The free kit contains everything you need seen in this video to create the routine.